Happy Valentine's Day! Okay, good morning, everybody. We are moving on to a game today. So for your game, you will need to have at least 12 things to count because we're working with egg cartons. Our title is Dozens of Eggs. What number does the word dozen mean? Raise your hand. Brooklyn, 12. Okay, so a dozen means 12, but this is dozens. So what does that mean? Millie?
More than one? More than 12.
More than 12. There we go. Okay, our story, or should I say our game, begins in our workbook on page 104. Please turn to 104. I'm sorry you're going to see me go to my doc cam because things closed down on me before. Okay, so this is what page 104 looks like.
104? Yeah.
Okay, for those of you at home, I hope are there. We are here and our game looks similar to this, so I need to talk about our fractions. Because this is a flatter piece for me and I need to record this for you, I'm going to use this paper. Everybody out there, if you wish to use this paper, it's fine. If you wish to use this form, it is fine. But I want to see what you can remember. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I want you to show me a third of an egg carton. Fill your carton 1/3 full. Start using your eggs. Yes, I know we have square eggs. Use your eggs. Fill your egg carton 1/3 full. Can you remember what that is? Okay, I'm still looking for some people to try yet. Oh, I got one person with a hand in the air. 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, a bunch of people. Okay, I'm gonna draw a stick. Gabby, are you willing? Okay, so Gabby's coming over to show a third. So I have too many eggs out here. She's gonna put a third in. We'll put this one here. There she goes. She has 1/3. We can check that she did it. Get your strings out. Oh, my strings are just so curly. Anybody else have curly strings out there?
Get the green one, just make a U.
Okay, so there's 4 in this section. 4 spots. 4 spots. We have our egg carton divided into 3 equal parts because my fraction was 1/3. Okay, so Jacob, how many eggs equals 1/3? 4. Okay. I want you now, clear your cartons, and I want you to fill your carton 1/4 full. Fill your carton 1/4 full. I'd ask you to make sure you have enough support. Who thinks they can show me 1/4? Oh, a lot of hands went up. Okay. Oh my goodness, I gotta draw a stick. There's so many of you. Kiona. Uh-oh. Kiona. She's gonna do 1/4. We're going to make it easy. Remember, we're trying to keep you're correct. You are absolutely correct. But the easiest way is this way. There she goes. She's got her divided into 4 parts. Okay, so how many eggs equals 1/4? Yes, sir. 3. Okay, Emmett is our new student, so people at home say hi to Emmett. Okay, so Emmett says that we have 3 eggs in there. He is correct. We have, if it's divided into fourths, our denominator is 4. Remember what Grace likes to do? She likes to do this fraction. So we have 1 section of the 4 sections. 1 section has eggs in it, equals 3 eggs. Okay, let's see how you do now. See how you do now. I want you to think of, let's keep practicing this. 1/2 is too easy. Everybody knows that one.
Yeah.
1/3, 1/6. 1/6. Show me 1/6 in your egg carton. You guys guessed it.
I know what you're doing next.
Jacob, you have been drawing. Can you show me 1/6? Or you want to guess?
I think I know already.
Okay, let's check. Now he's going to put the strings on because he has to make how many sections? Well, that's 1 section, but our fraction is 1/6.
Should I put 30 of them on there?
Nope, we have our 1 full, but we have to get 6 sections. Okay, got another one. And we got another one. He's going to get fancy with the green one. Those of you that have the skinny strings, those stay straighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. One of the sections is full. 1/6. I think you've got it. How many eggs is 1 section? Okay, Jared. 2. Jared says 2. Okay. You guys are getting way too good at this.
I already know the next one.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Okay. In your books. In your books. Now watch what I do. I'm going to ask you again to do 1/3. Do you see how I wrote 1/3 underneath my paper? You don't have to do this, but I did. Fill in your egg carton with 1/3. Fill in 1/3 of your egg carton.
Luke, is it a trap? Luke, is it a trap?
How many eggs is in 1/3 of an egg carton? Show me with fingers. How many eggs are in 1/3 of an egg carton? I see a lot of people with 4 fingers in the air. Very good.
45. Luke, is it a trap? Maybe. No, it's a trap.
It's a trap. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. What do we do now? We do add them together. How do I do this?
Yeah, by math.
Okay, I've got people. I have very quiet hands in the air. How about Finney? He's been very quiet. What do we got to do?
1/4 of the carton equals 3 eggs.
Kiona, can you hear him? Then don't talk. Okay, say it again.
And 1/3 of the carton is 4 eggs, and just add 3 eggs.
Okay. How many of you remember when you made the fraction of 1/4 or 1/4 of a carton? And how many eggs were in 1/4 of a carton? Show me with fingers. We have 3. Phoenix says I got to put 3 more on here. That's what he said. Oh dear, now what do we do?
We run away.
Look what I wrote. 1/3 plus 1/4 is not 2/7. It is not 2/7. Oh my.
What's a 2/7? Oh wait, I think I got it. Wait, no, that's really weird.
Looking at what you have, how could you write this as a fraction? David.
2/4.
Good try. Grace.
7/12.
Why 7/12?
Because there are 12 eggs in a carton and 7 is full. There are 7 full.
Okay, so if you couldn't hear Grace, Grace says that there's 12 eggs in the carton. Does everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
And she says, well, we've got 7 of the spots are full. We have 7 eggs. So it makes 7/12. Let's practice this again. Okay, we're going to start out this time with 1/6. Put 1/6 make 1/6 of a carton full of eggs. 1/6 of a carton full of eggs. And that is, how many eggs are in 1/6? Who can remember? Show me with fingers. Show me with fingers. Yeah, Jared had 2 fingers up really fast. So did Akaya. 2 fingers. So we have to, you told me I got to put 2 fingers up. Uh-oh, 2 fingers. That means you got to be quiet. Shh. Aha. Funny. I know. It was so funny. I can hear you guys laughing. Okay, stop a moment and think. I'm going to put another fraction on there.
Okay.
So you're going to have to think of what we're going to do next.
We're going to add. We're going to subtract. We're going to multiply. We're going to do it all.
What do we do with that one? What do I do with that one, Tucker?
Let's put 3 more.
Okay, Tucker says I have to put 3 more on there. Why? Why is it 3 more?
Because 1/4 is 3.
1/4 equals 3 eggs.
3 12.
1/4 is the same as having 3 eggs.
Now it equals.
What do you do with this fraction now?
You write the first one. Yeah.
What kind of an answer do I get? What is our new fraction? Talk at your table, Mr.
It's 4/2. No, it's not. The bottom 2 don't add.
Okay. Thank you for that thought.
If it's 5/12, then you're going to be a liar and a boomer.
Quiet in 3, 2, 1. You don't say that, sir. 1. Somebody said that, well, this is one row and this is another row. So wouldn't it be a fraction of like 3 halves? What if we move, can I move these pieces up here?
Yeah.
Could I move all of these pieces here?
Yeah.
Can I have them like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it matter where they are?
No.
It does not. It can be like this. It can be like this. What kind of a fraction do we have? Jacob, how many eggs do I have up there? How many eggs are in my carton? Okay. How many eggs could be in my carton? Okay, so these Jacob's show me 12. So I now have 5/12. Look at the denominators. Which are the denominators? The top part or the bottom part of the fraction? Yes, ma'am. The bottom. Remember how we have that strange phrase to help us remember it? The denominator is on the bottom. The bottom. They're on the bottom. So when we add, we are actually adding 2 12s. Ethan? Plus, this fraction is this many. I'm circling 2 numbers. Why did I circle them? What did you notice? I circled 2 numbers. Why did I circle them? What do you notice? What's that favorite fourth grade fraction word that we have to know?
Equivalent.
Equivalent. Notice 1/6, notice 2/12. They are equivalent fractions. What do you suppose I'm going to do with, or what I'm going to talk about with that group? They are equivalent. Remember, an equivalent fraction, or fractions are equivalent when they take up the same amount of space. They just may be divided up differently. They take up the same amount of space. I want you to look at the rest of our workbook now. This is the beginning of the game we're going to play. Depending on what we need to do, we may write some things on our notebook to help us as a little cheat sheet. I know, cheating. I'm not supposed to say that. I'm a teacher.
Yeah, you are.
No, it's what do we call that? That's using our resources. Okay, so we're going to play this game. Let's see. My math people, Adrian or Safira, which one of you want to challenge, be the student and I'll be the teacher?
Me.
Safira does. Okay. Come on, Safira, come on over. Safira's saying, why me? I don't want to do this.
I'll do it.
The way we play this game is the first one to get all of their, well, look at this. It says teacher, so that's me. It says students, that's you guys. The first person to get all of theirs filled wins. Oh, thank you, Millie. She's rooting for me. Oh, I don't think she is. Okay, Safira, so put your fingers in the air. What does that mean? Shh. Thank you. Safira, since she's about a year younger than I am, I'll let her go first.
Are you
Take
gonna
one.
by how many?
Just one. Flip it up. Oh my goodness. You guys are cheating.
Why? We are. Oh yeah.
Look what she picked.
Oh yeah.
Stop and watch. This is the student equation, right? When we look at this fraction, our numerator tells us we have all 4 parts. Our denominator tells us we're dividing it into 4 parts. So, oh, this is one of those, this string is straight. This string is straight. So if I put my strings like this, it tells me I have to draw on, I'm going to have to fill all of this up. I have to have this section, this section, this section, and this section. See, all 4 of them full. I could put all of my pieces on, but do I have to? Because I'm going to do it here. There is my first section. Here's my second section, my third section, my fourth section. And we just, do we even have an equation?
This line. Yes.
So, you guys already have one of your cartons full. Oh, that's what I get for calling of Safira. She's gonna, you guys are gonna make certain you beat me.
Yeah.
Ah ha ha! Guess what I've got?
No. 6, 6, 2. 6,
Look at that. Okay, what does this mean? What does this mean?
We're tied.
Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. Okay, what does this mean, Will?
We're tied.
Why?
Because we got 4 fourths and you got 6 6.
But those are 2 different fractions. 6 is bigger than 4. Don't I win?
But they're equal.
Why?
So for my full, 4 fourths, 6 6.
Okay, so if you can't hear them at home, Will's saying that 4 fourths equals 6 6. Why? He's making a face at me. Okay, everybody's telling me they're equivalent. In other words, remember what Safira was saying before, that we got to get these all taken care of. I got to have 6 sections, because that's what my denominator says, and all of these are full.
That's not fair.
That's not fair. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm still tied with you guys. Okay, Safira, draw your card.
Get a good one.
Okay, this is what Safira drew. How do we do this on here? Yes.
So you put the lines like you had it, and then just fill up 3
Okay, so I was told to put my lines back on again. Safira, do you agree?
Yep.
Okay. Reese won't steer you wrong, right? Okay.
No, why not?
And Reese and Safira both say I got to fill up 3 sections. Do I do it like this?
No.
What's wrong with that?
You gotta fill.
I have to fill up the whole thing. In other words, how many eggs do I need?
6.
Okay. Okay, so Safira, do you want to draw this in? Or should I draw it in? She doesn't care. So this is what she has in already. Okay, so that's, we'll move this. There's our done pile. Okay, I got to pick a good card.
No.
Oh, look at how hard this one is. What should I do with this one? Oh my goodness, what should I do with this one, Marshall? Okay, right now, Safira's telling me it just split it into 12s. How many eggs is that? And Safira tells me it's 5 eggs.
That's 0. It's no eggs.
I'm not gonna believe Luke.
I wish you got 0, 0. I mean,
Okay. Well, you guys are ahead of me by how many eggs? 1. Okay, Safira, take a card.
come on. Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
what is this with you people?
You just fill up a whole nother one.
What? Okay, so what should we do with that?
Yeah, fill up the whole thing on the
Fill it in, okay. So she says I got to fill in. Should we fill in this one, or should we fill in this one, or should we fill in that one? What should we do? Okay, raise your hand, everybody. Safira's going to call on you to find out advice.
Do the next one.
Reese says do the next one. Call on one more person in case somebody else has another idea, or maybe they'll agree. Millie? No, did you say Millie? Okay.
Can you split it in half and put 6 into that one half and 6 into the other?
I could. Okay, Millie's idea, or Millie's question was, since this is a whole carton full again, can we put 6 here and 6 there because we know that this means 12 eggs? Can we do that?
Yeah.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we adding then?
One half. You just do it on the bottom.
Oh. So we're going to fill in this half. And it's going to equal what? 1 whole. We'll put 1. Well, then we got to do this. Okay, so what do we write here? 1 half. Because real soon we're going to do this again, and you guys are going to, we're going to play a game. Oh my goodness, we're out of time again. I must take much time. Oh, that's not so bad. 5/6. How many eggs is 5/6? If I divide this into how many parts, Marshall, I gotta make certain you're paying attention. Marshall, how many parts do I gotta divide my egg carton into? This is my new fraction. 6. How many of my parts need to be full, Marshall? 5. Marshall says I have to fill 5 of my 6 parts up. So I can put this here, and I can put this one here, and I can put this one here. And I get to fill up. How many eggs is that? How many eggs do I have? Fiona? 10. Okay, so I got to count. I'm going to use a different color so I don't get mixed up. I need to do 10 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. By 3 eggs.
You are. What is this? What did I just add to this? How much is that?
6 12.
6/12. You know, I bet I should be looking at the rules. I might be telling you to play it wrong. Okay. So, you guys are ahead of me.
Yay.
This isn't fun.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's try her again.
Pick a hole. Please pick a hole.
Oh my goodness, what did she get?
12.
6 12s, but it says 6 12s. How can it be a half?
Because 6 is half of 12.
6 is half of 12. How many eggs is 6 6 12s? How many eggs is 1 half?
6. Could be 3 or 8 or 100.
Yeah, we got another bowl.
Oh my goodness. I gotta really I gotta get something really good this time. I got 1 half. But that's what you guys got. I'm still behind. How many eggs is 1 half?
6.
So I have 3 12s plus 1 half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still got some empty ones there.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what's going on next group. Pull a card. Let's see. 2 12s. How many eggs is 2 12s? We got to write down 2 12s.
We can't see.
Oh, now you can. And, oh boy, 2/3. How many eggs? Okay, let's go back and think. 1/3 is how many eggs? 4. Everybody said 4. Okay, so 1/3 is 4 eggs. Jared, are you listening? Good. I have another third. So I have a 1/3 and I have a 1/3 to make 2/3. How many eggs is that? Show me with both hands. How many eggs would that be? I have 4 eggs for my first 1/3. I have 4 eggs for my second 1/3. Marshall?
8.
How many eggs is that?
8.
8. So I have to, I'm going to just put 2/3 down here. And mark my 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see how we do. You guys better not get a big one.
Get a big one. Get a big one.
Get 10 12.
Ooh, 1/4. How many eggs is 1/4?
Ooh, it's 10.
3. Sapphira says 3.
3. 3.
It's 3. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like the teacher's gonna win. She probably is. I feel like the students.
How many eggs is
4. I mean,
You guys can't at home, sorry, you can't see the actions. How many eggs is in 1/3?
0.
4.
Negative 0. No, 3. One more. Negative 3.
Okay, we are out of time because it is time for lunch. We're going to continue this game next time. I am going to attach this game for you at home. I hope that you have completed your workbook pages before this play. We will talk to you next time. Bye.